Okay, everyone, places. This is the final scene, so let's make this one count. And action.
Hi everybody again, and welcome to another video. Continuation video now of the retro IKEA table lamp that I did a video of about 6 months ago. Not much to say really, other than I was contacted via the YouTube comment section to say that somebody had bought one of these and tried to use it with a dimmable bulb. And when they turned the device off completely, the bulb was still illuminated. As you can see, I tested this with the bulbs that we had, and these were IKEA candle bulbs, LED 4 filament I think they are, there may be 3 filament, and when the lamp is turned off, it turns the bulb off completely, so there's no power going to it. Now all I can assume is either the lamps that the commenter, the YouTube commenter, has are faulty and they need to go back, or the bulbs don't actually turn off and there's some smart link in them or some smartness that says no, I can still see power. But I'm not sure. I think, to be honest, the lamps are faulty and they need to be returned. So as you can see from there, the bulbs turned off. They did. There's nothing I can say other than these lamps appear to work fine. If you're going to buy them, maybe plug them in as soon as you get home, test them, and if they're not working, take them back. Don't use them if they are faulty, because it's not safe and you might hurt yourself. There's danger of death. But anyway, I hope this update was interesting and informative. Please hit the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload more content. Give the video a like. Leave me an additional comment to this update or an additional comment to the previous video. And thanks again for watching. Good night.
Oh, Mike!
Okay, everybody, that's a wrap.